Out there, Ramon. Yeah, I got hungry, so I decided to have a hot dog while I was waiting.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, and I waited and I waited and I ate and I ate, and now I'm so full and bloated and ashamed of myself I can't stand it. I'm still angry.
It wasn't my fault.
Well, that's funny. I was sure it wasn't mine.
And Mrs. Clarn, she's so jealous you wouldn't believe it.
Okay, her?
And she's a little crazy, but it's sort of wonderful.
Wonderful.
Well, I mean, she thinks of their marriage like, I don't know, Romeo and Juliet or Tristan and Isolde.
Well, it's nice to know that someone in the world doesn't live like the Catch and Jammer kids.
I'm sorry, darling. But I'm going to make it all up to you tonight. You come over at 6 o'clock, and boy, are you going to be pampered and spoiled. And am I going to fix you a meal fit for a king?
Yeah, well, what makes you think I'm going to forgive you that easily?
Oh, because of my knowledge of the perfection of your character. And just plain hope which brings eternal.
How do I know you're even going to be there?
Well, this whole thing is going to be resolved by 5:15 one way or another.
What?
And two questions. One, if you had to find a particular window washer in the entire city of New York, how would you go about it? And two, can I have a bite of your hot dog, Miss Starr?
Hey, here it is. Klein, Rudy, Manhattan, Midtown.
Address working. You got that?
Oh, sure, no problem. He's on a simple run of 4 buildings. 4 West 42nd Street, Union Securities Building, 458 Fifth Avenue, Amalgamated Utilities, 98 Pershing Square, and Clipper Building, Vanderbilt, 41st Street.
Which one of these do you think it is?
You want my honest opinion?
Well, yes.
I haven't the faintest idea.
Hello? Rudy Clarn! Do you know a window washer named Rudy Clarn? Rudy! Rudy!
$47,925.64.
Excuse me.
$49,117.11.
Who is he?
$51,848.
Was there a window washer in here? Oh, I'm so sorry. I interrupted you in your work.